Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing in real estate? Think again. Today, I'm showing you how to get into the real estate game with zero money out of your pocket. Yes, it's possible, and I'll reveal the strategies that the pros are using to build wealth without big upfront costs. Let's dive in. Debunking the myth. One of the biggest myths about real estate investing is that you need a lot of money to get started. While that may have been true in the past, today's real estate market offers several creative strategies that require little to no cash up front. Let me break it down for you. These strategies aren't about cutting corners. They're about leveraging resources, knowledge, and connections. Ready to learn how it's done? Let's get into the first method. Strategy 1. Wholesaling real estate. The first strategy is wholesaling. Here's how it works. 1. You find a motivated seller, someone who really needs to sell their property. 2. You negotiate a deal to buy the property below market value. 3. Then you assign that contract to an investor or buyer, pocketing the difference. The best part? You never actually buy the property, so you don't need a down payment or a loan. Wholesaling is all about being the middleman and making money on the margin. Pro tip: build a strong network of investors who are actively looking for deals. It'll make closing wholesale deals much faster. Strategy 2. Seller financing. Next up is seller financing, also known as owner financing. This strategy is a game changer if you have no money down. Instead of getting a traditional mortgage, the seller agrees to finance the deal themselves. This means you'll make monthly payments directly to the seller, cutting out the bank completely. Often, sellers agree to this because they want steady income or a faster sale. Pro tip: look for sellers who've had their property listed for a while. They're often more open to creative financing options. Strategy 3. Lease options. Now let's talk about lease options, also known as rent-to-own. Here's how it works. 1. You lease a property from the owner with an agreement to buy it at a later date. 2. A portion of your rent is applied toward the purchase price. This strategy lets you control a property without needing a down payment. It's great if you're not ready to commit to buying immediately but still want to lock in a great deal. Pro tip: negotiate a fair purchase price up front to avoid overpaying when the time comes to buy. The importance of building relationships. Real estate investing with no money down isn't just about strategies, it's about relationships. Networking with sellers, agents, and other investors can open doors to opportunities you won't find on traditional listings. Consider finding a mentor or joining a local real estate investment group. The connections you make can be the key to finding no money down deals. Overcoming challenges. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. These strategies take time, effort, and persistence. You'll need to sharpen your negotiation skills, do your research, and stay patient. But the payoff is worth it. If you're willing to put in the work, investing in real estate with no money down can lead to financial freedom. Now that you know how to invest in real estate with no money down, what's stopping you? Start exploring these strategies today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly real estate tips.